Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I have another shopping haul for you guys. So yesterday I went to Burlington and Tjmaxx and I found some cute stuff. I have quite a few stuff that I'm going to show you, so let's just dive right to it. So I'm going to show you the stuff that I got from Tjmaxx first because that's actually a lot of stuff. So the first thing I have here is this pretty gingham dress. It is so stinking adorable. And it has mini ruffles. I know I can easily make this, but I feel like this one is like good quality and the fabric is awesome. And it's gingham. So the brand is Sim and Sam. And this was $20. So it's actually not bad because if I'm going to buy a fabric, a gingham fabric like this, it's going to cost me about the same. This is a good find. And this is going to be for my daughter. So the plan is she's going to wear like a white t-shirt underneath the dress, or if she wants to, she can also wear like a cardigan over it. And I think this is like a perfect sundress, especially now that it's getting warmer here in Nevada. Like this week it's supposed to be up to 100, so it's going to be super hot. So anyway, let's move on to the next item. We also got a dress, and this is for my youngest. How adorable is this? Oh, yeah, it's in like it's yellow color and the brand is Montu. You know what? I can easily make this. Yeah, because actually my husband gave me like a bunch of shirts that he doesn't want to wear anymore. I think I'm going to do that. I might just clone this dress. So the next items are scrunchies, and they are $4.99 per pack. So the next item that I have is something that I don't need, but I got it anyway because it's so cute. I think it's so adorable. I like that little handle, so cute. And I don't have a red bag, and it has gold hardware. Yeah, and it was on clearance. So the brand is handbag, and it's vegan. And it was on sale for $12. So I thought it was a good price. There are 2 pockets inside. So I think this is going to be a really good camera bag, cell phone bag. You go on a vacation, I can easily just use this, put it in my big bag, and then just, you know, carry this around. So that's that. And the next item is a big shampoo. So this is Biokeratin, and it's anti-frizz shampoo. So yeah, this is going to be for my children. So let's put that aside. Oh, this was $12.99. The last 2 items are actually fragrances. So the first one is this purple by Perry Ellis for women, and this is not for me. This is for my youngest daughter. She decided she wants this, and it actually smells really good. It smells like you just got out of the shower vibe, which is really nice. It smells so fresh. I love it. Just did I describe it wrong? So what's the vibe that you're getting from this perfume?
Something beside the shower.
I'm sorry. Something beside the shower. It smells amazing, you guys. It's just energizing. Don't mention the shower, okay? I didn't say anything. Okay, so the last item from Tjmaxx is a perfume. It's DKNY Be Delicious. And I had been wanting this perfume for ages, but I just didn't see it in Tjmaxx, you know, like Tjmaxx back home, like in Kentucky. So yesterday when we went to Tjmaxx, I found it, and it was on clearance for $16. So I thought that was a good price because usually this can be around like $20. I'm not going to open it today because I am going to do a separate review on this. I'm going to unbox it and then, you know, smell it. Smelled this once before. But I kind of forgot what it smells like. So yeah, I'm going to film a separate video on this. So those are the stuff I got from Tjmaxx. Now let's move on to the stuff I got from Burlington. So the Burlington in my area is just like right across Tjmaxx, so it was very convenient. So we decided to check it out and find some things. Okay, so my youngest daughter had been wanting an LED light for ages. So yesterday we decided to get one, and it's only $12.99, and it has remote control, and it says it's sound activated LED. I don't know where she plans on putting this. She's never in her room, so it's interesting where she going to put this. The next items are actually for me. I decided to get some socks. I don't usually wear socks, but when I wear socks, only when I am doing my workout, like walking and stuff like that. So I decided to get just the black ones so I don't get confused. I don't have to find the right match for it because it's annoying. So I just decided to get one color and be done with it. And this was $5.99 from the brand Rampage. So I can get rid of my stinky socks that I had been using for the last 10 years. Sorry, I'm laughing because it's actually true. So the last item that I got from Burlington are actually my favorite because you guys, these are like the cutest tennis shoes ever. It has black, white, and pink. I love it. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm ready to walk on the treadmill on these. And not only for working out, it's also like very stylish. I think this will go really well with a lot of my dresses, even my floral dresses. That's why I am really liking it. Yeah, I got it for $15.99, you guys. $15.99 for this brand. I mean, I have a pair of tennis shoes that I purchased. We were in Qatar, so that was in the Middle East, and that was like what, 12 years ago, and I still use those. They still look great. I think it's time to retire those stinky shoes and move on to these. There's a similar style like this on Nike.com, but similar design. It has pink, but you know, it was so expensive. It's like 80 bucks. I'm like, I can't see myself spending 80 bucks on a pair of shoes. That's why I'm like, I'll just wait. Maybe I'll find random, you know, beautiful shoes in Burlington somewhere. And I did, which is so exciting because these are way cuter. It also reminds me of Kylie Jenner's shoes. It has like a pink, you know, some sort of similar to this. And these are perfection. Oh my goodness. And the brand is Puma. I love this brand, by the way. I love this brand. The shoes that I was telling you about that I own for almost 12 years is also Puma. So I know they are good quality. So that's that. So those are all the stuff that I picked up from my recent trip to Tjmaxx and Burlington. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoy shopping hauls like this, be sure to give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you don't know, I also do sewing tutorials here on my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!